Hey, what's up guys? It's Shahryar here, and today we're diving into something super cool. We're talking about turning your phone into a powerful hacking tool. Stick around because this is going to be interesting. First up, we've got Termux. Think of Termux as giving you a Linux command line right there on your phone. And if you know Linux, you know how powerful that can be. Termux lets you tap into that power. You can use it to run scripts, manage files, and even connect to remote servers, all from the palm of your hand. It's like a blank canvas for techies. You can customize it, install packages, and basically turn your phone into a portable hacking lab. Download it, play around, and see what you can do. Next up, we've got AndroRAT, and this one's a bit more serious. AndroRAT stands for Android Remote Administration Tool, and as the name suggests, it allows you to remotely control Android devices. However, they can also be used for malicious purposes if they fall into the wrong hands. AndroRAT lets you access a device's camera, microphone, files, and even its GPS location, all remotely. Imagine being able to pull information from a phone you've lost or even track its location if it's stolen. But just like with any powerful tool, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks. Make sure you're using it responsibly and only on devices you have permission to access. Alright, let's talk about zANTI. This app is a beast when it comes to network analysis and penetration testing. It's designed to give you a comprehensive look at your network security. It's packed with features that let you see what's happening on your network, identify vulnerabilities, and even simulate attacks. Whether you're a network admin or a security enthusiast, zANTI has something for you. One of the coolest things about zANTI is its MITM, or man-in-the-middle capabilities. This feature allows you to perform advanced network tests that can reveal hidden issues. This lets you intercept and analyze network traffic, which can be incredibly useful for troubleshooting network issues or identifying security flaws. Imagine being able to see the data flowing through your network in real time. The app has a really user-friendly interface, making it accessible even if you're not a seasoned security professional. You don't need to be an expert to navigate through its features, but don't let the ease of use fool you. zANTI is a powerful tool that can uncover a ton of information about your network. From device details to potential security threats, it covers it all. Use zANTI ethically and legally, and always obtain permission before scanning or testing networks that you don't own. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Hackode is up next, and it's like the Swiss Army knife of hacking apps. This app is designed to be a comprehensive toolkit for anyone interested in the world of hacking. It's packed with a ton of tools and utilities that can be used for a variety of purposes, from reconnaissance to exploitation. Whether you're gathering information or testing vulnerabilities, Hackode has you covered. One of the things I like about Hackode is its simplicity. Despite its wide range of features, the app remains user-friendly and accessible. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, even if you're new to this world. You won't feel lost or overwhelmed when using it. It's a great app for beginners who are just getting started with ethical hacking and penetration testing. The learning curve is gentle, making it perfect for newcomers. It gives you a taste of different tools and techniques without overwhelming you with complexity. You can experiment and learn at your own pace. Overall, Hackode is a solid option for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of ethical hacking. It's a versatile app that caters to both beginners and more experienced users. It's easy to use, has a good selection of tools, and it's a great way to learn the ropes. If you're curious about hacking, Hackode is definitely worth checking out. Let's talk about cSploit. This app is for those of you who are serious about penetration testing. It's a more advanced tool that requires some knowledge of networking and security concepts. What sets cSploit apart is its focus on exploitation. It provides a wide range of exploits that you can use to test the security of devices on your network. One of the cool things about cSploit is its ability to create custom exploits. The app also has a built-in Metasploit framework, which is a powerful tool for developing and executing exploits. Sploit is a powerful tool that should only be used for ethical and legal purposes. Always obtain permission before testing any networks or devices. Network Mapper, or Nmap as it's commonly known, is a classic tool in the world of cybersecurity. It's been around for ages, and for a good reason. It's incredibly powerful for network exploration and security auditing. Think of Nmap as a digital map maker. It sends out packets of data to devices on a network and analyzes the responses to create a map of what's connected and what services are running. This is invaluable for security professionals who need to understand the layout of a network and identify potential vulnerabilities. Network Mapper is available on a variety of platforms, including Android. Download it, fire it up, and start exploring your digital world. DroidSheep is next, and this one's a bit controversial. This tool has sparked a lot of debates in the cybersecurity community due to its potential for misuse. It's a network sniffing tool, which means it can capture data packets being transmitted over a network. Essentially, it listens to the data flowing through the network and can intercept it. DroidSheep is particularly good at sniffing out session IDs and passwords for websites that don't use HTTPS encryption. This makes it a powerful tool for identifying vulnerabilities in network security. So, if someone on your network is browsing an unsecured website, DroidSheep might be able to capture their login credentials. This is why it's crucial to always use HTTPS encryption. One legitimate use case for DroidSheep is to test the security of your own network. By doing so, you can identify and fix potential security flaws before they can be exploited. You can use it to see if any devices are sending sensitive information over unsecured connections. This can help you ensure that all data transmitted over your network is secure. But again, I want to emphasize the importance of using DroidSheep responsibly. Misusing this tool can lead to serious legal consequences and ethical issues. Only use it on networks you own or have permission to access. Always get explicit consent before testing someone else's network. Never use it to steal someone else's information. Ethical hacking is about protecting data, not exploiting it. We already talked about Network Mapper, or Nmap, earlier, but I wanted to give it its own chapter because it's such a fundamental tool in cybersecurity. I remember when I first started getting into tech, Nmap was one of the first tools I learned to use. It's incredibly versatile. You can use it to scan for open ports, identify operating systems, and even fingerprint web servers. One of the things that makes Nmap so powerful is its scripting engine. Whether you're a seasoned security professional or just starting out, Nmap is an essential tool to have in your arsenal. It's powerful, versatile, and it can teach you a lot about how networks work. Wi-Fi Kill. The name pretty much says it all. This app lets you cut off internet access to other devices on your network. Wi-Fi Kill works by spoofing deauthentication packets, which basically tricks devices into thinking they've been disconnected from the network. One legitimate use case for Wi-Fi Kill is to troubleshoot network issues. However, it's important to use Wi-Fi Kill ethically and legally. Don't use it to disrupt other people's internet access without their permission. Now let's talk about NetHunter, and this one's on a whole other level. NetHunter isn't just an app, it's a complete Android ROM designed for penetration testing and security auditing. NetHunter comes with a ton of pre-installed tools, including Kali Linux, which is a Debian-based distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. With NetHunter, you can turn your Android device into a portable hacking powerhouse. It's got everything you need to perform advanced network analysis, exploit vulnerabilities, and even crack passwords. If you're serious about cybersecurity and want to take your skills to the next level, NetHunter is definitely worth checking out. Just make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. SSHDroid might not sound as exciting as some of the other apps on this list, but it's incredibly useful for anyone who needs to remotely access their devices or manage servers. SSHDroid basically turns your Android phone into a secure shell SSH server. You can use SSHDroid to transfer files between your phone and computer, manage files on your phone's SD card, or even run commands on your phone from your computer. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done, and it does it securely. Last but not least, we've got Fing, and this one's a personal favorite of mine. Fing is a network scanner that makes it super easy to see what devices are connected to your network. You just open the app, hit scan, and Fing will show you a list of all the devices on your network along with their IP addresses, MAC addresses, and even the manufacturer. It's incredibly useful for identifying unknown devices on your network. Overall, Fing is a fantastic app for anyone who wants to get a better understanding of their home network. It's easy to use, it's packed with features, and it's completely free. So there you have it, guys. Those are the 12 apps that can turn your phone into a hacking supercomputer. Remember, with all of these tools, it's crucial to use them ethically and legally. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.